Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotel Tours. We are here at, as you can see right here, Delta Hotels by Marriott in Richmond, Virginia. So, alright, I just checked into this room here for 2 nights. So, here's our safety stuff. Don't leave children unattended. All doors and windows when leaving room. Security deadbolt, flippy thing. Got a light. Oh. Okay. Bathroom, what's up? Vanity, lit mirror. Got our shitter. Fence a little dusty right in there. Nothing too bad. Toilet paper. It's kind of a small bathroom. Makes me think this hotel is older, but it's been renovated, obviously. Nice new fixtures. Shower head. A little bit of grime. That light is dim, so we probably need a new bulb in there at some point. The caulking in here is little stuff like that, but caulking's not terrible. No mold or mildew. Our little bath amenities. Right here, the closet shares what we got. Our safe. Does it work? Safe does not work. That's okay. Yeah, safe doesn't work. That's mine there, by the way. We got our microwave is. Well, let's check out the microwave. Microwave is spotless. Mini fridge is clean. Got my beer in there. And they do give you complimentary water, 2 of them. That's nice. Slide this here. Got a mirror. Here's a closet area right here. So yeah, it's cool how they have this set up. Close that part, so I need that. Here's our little condiments area. Gonna be another mirror. What's up? A lot of mirrors in this room. Pretty cool. This is nice little thing here. Got all your coffee. Yeah, we've got stuff like this. It's peeling off a little bit. Not that big of a deal. Climate control, thermostat, central, everything central. There's your unit in there. There's your vents. Let's see what I got here. I got this thing here. Kick the AC on this. Why that's kicking? That should be kicking on, but it's not for some reason. It was working when I came in here. For some reason, it was working. I don't know. Fuck with that later. Little thing in place, put your luggage. By the way, 2 double beds. Got our lamp. Here's the address if you want to stay at this hotel. We got our 43-inch, maybe 50 LG TV. Got our desk area, nice desk chair. You got little stuff like this, little marks like that. Nothing too major. You know, I try to be honest here with this when I do these room tours and reviews for you guys. So I'll pick out every little thing I see. Got little marks there, but the ceiling looks pretty good other than that. So, yeah, here's a review of the city here, Richmond. So yeah, got this big ass building right here. So yeah. Two double beds. Yeah, let's check the beds out. How are you rolling? Don't like these pillows because you know what you do with these? Well, you throw them. It's supposed to go on the floor, but so there goes the AC. The AC's kicking on. All right. Bed looks nice. Pillows looks good. Looks good. You know, I'm not gonna check it any farther. Bed looks fine. This has a 4-star rating on TripAdvisor and on the Bonvoy website, so everything should check out. Mattress cover, newer mattress, very comfortable feeling to the hands. Oh yeah. Oh, this thing's soft. Oh yeah. Thing's soft, so that's pretty good. Be doing a good night's sleep on that. Got Bud Light. So I'm staying here on employee rate. I only pay $69 a night. It's like $157 after tax. That's why I paid with the Explorer rate. Oh god, that on the ground. Yeah, I'll stay in there, but carpet's a little worn. You see what I mean? But nothing too bad. Anyway, I'm paying Explorer. I use the Explorer right here. $69 a night. Definitely for that price, not good. I mean, not good. That's good. $69 a night's good. So I'm here on employee rates as usual. What will this room cost you? So I'm here at April 27th, 2022 when I'm recording this. When I booked this room in probably 2 months in advance, and the rate was $195 or something. So, but tonight they're basically almost sold out here. It's crazy, a lot of traffic at the elevators. But I just saw this. A little dusty there. There, I mean that looks clean. So I wonder if they changed the air filters in these things. Have a little star thing right here to get that off. Let's go check the filters, but we got the same kind of units at my hotel that I work at. But anyway, so what they're charging for tonight is $235. So a night. So is this room worth $235 a night? That's the going rate in Richmond right now. That's a going rate for a lot of the hotels right now in Richmond. So is it worth that? I mean, there's like little stuff, you know, nothing too bad. Just like little stuff like that, you know. It's not that big of a deal. Everything seems to be clean. Staff is nice. People that check me in is nice. They do have a restaurant. Parking is $18 a day. So I think that's a little outrageous. In other states it's not like 10, 12, 15, $18 is a lot. The Richmond Marriott, I was looking at staying there. I could get there, I could have gotten that deploy rate. This was like $10 cheaper, but they're $20 for parking at the Richmond Marriott. I was looking at the courtyard, but they got booked up. They're about the same for parking. So it seems like a lot of downtown hotels, at least all downtown hotels I've been looking at, or the areas I've been looking at, don't have indoor pools. Why is that? I don't know. Maybe some other cities do. But this place does have an indoor pool and a hot tub, which is nice. So I'll be taking advantage of that later. got a couple of brewskis, go chill in the hot tub, yeah, I mean, this place is pretty solid. Older hotel, nicely renovated, so this is a nice big full service hotel. You know, they got the bellman out there to get your luggage and stuff. So, you know, I mean, I don't think that should be there. Staying on the carpets. I don't think that carpet could maybe be replaced. I don't know, a little worn, but the restroom is pretty nice. It gives you that nice big city hotel vibe. That's what this hotel gives you, so I recommend it. It's gotta have you have to have a lot of money though to be staying in Richmond. So not unless if you're on employee rate. So that's all I got for you. Richmond, Virginia, Delta Hotels. So if you guys like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And yeah, let's keep getting it. Let's keep getting our subscriber count up. It keeps going up slowly. Same with views on videos. So I thank you guys for that. And that being said, the KW out.